But here's another thing. So on top of you building a locations page within your website without paying extra money and getting more traffic to your website, and on top of buying domains that have keywords that also complement your website, what you can also do is you can actually buy a second page, build a second website for only $16 a month on Wix.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you can do now is because you own both of those websites, you can have one website cross-referencing like doing like cross sales.
Oh, okay.
So for example, say you're paying for your website right now and you're paying for the Business Pro because you have booking in there, you have point of sale, you're able to do money transactions, and that you're paying premium, right? But if you pay an extra $16, now what you can do is you can build a brand new website design with heavy SEO for the photo booth rental and your location, have multiple pages, and then have links going back to your website and back and forth. But the most important part here is that for $16, when you build that beautiful website with some new photos, new content, because a lot of people struggle building a website because they have no content. And if you guys don't have any content, if you guys visit my website, you'll see that I have photo booth content. I think you bought some of it in the past.
Yeah.
And you also got lucky and got like promos, like when I put out promos.
Yeah, when you first put out promos? Yeah, for free? Yeah.
Yeah, so that could be purchased on my website, canarycapitalrentals.com. And so getting back to the topic is, so you pay $16 for this website page, Victor. And then when, say for example, people want to book with you, you can make that booking button a hyperlink so that they can check out on your main page, so you don't have to pay a premium for the transactions that our premium page would have.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you. That makes everything, I feel like that would make everything so much easier also, because instead of going back and forth on like your total amounts, you just have everything on one website.
Exactly, dude.
Yeah.
So that just points them and takes them to that calendar on your main page, and then they'll just check out on your main page.
Got it.
But but your other website got that traffic. Got that the search in, so it'll record it as data, like people actually visiting that website.
Damn, okay.